Okay, folks, I'm going to show you to make a very easy, hearty, and delicious minestrone soup. You're going to need mixed vegetables, tomato powder, red bell peppers, and lastly, green beans. Prep time only around 3 minutes to gather the ingredients, and your cook time should be 30 minutes so all vegetables are tender. Getting started, in a large soup pot, we're going to add the mixed vegetables in there and then toss in the vegetarian stock cubes. You can use any stock cubes you like for this. And then purified water. We don't want any chlorine aftertaste in our soup, and that looks like a lot of water, but the vegetables will absorb quite a bit as they rehydrate. We're going to toss in our red bell peppers. And then this is when we get the tomato powder in there. Now this lends a wonderful tomato flavor to the entire soup, and it is super easy to use, a great product. The last ingredient for the time being is going to be green beans. Now these give great texture and really great flavor to the soup. We toss them in there, put the whole thing on the stove, and then we turn on our heat, give it a quick mix. And this is going to need to come up to the boil and then be turned down to a simmer and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. So you can see it's bubbling away there, and we're going to add our chickpeas. You could use kidney beans or white beans, whatever you like, and that is ditalini pasta. It's available in every supermarket, and that goes in there, making it extra hearty. We're going to put the lid on it, simmer it for about another 15 minutes, and that would complete the 30 minutes. And then at the end, you're going to want to adjust the seasoning. So give it a taste. In this case, I added some kosher salt to it. And for extra flavor, I'm using dried thyme. So I put in a teaspoon of dried thyme. You could use oregano or Italian seasoning, whatever you like. Give that a mix through, and you are ready to serve. Now, as you can see, this is a very hearty and filling soup. It takes one pot to make it, so you're going to love making it, and the flavor is spot on. I hope you give this one a try. Hey, I'd also like to invite you to visit foodstoragefeast.com. I've put together a course to help you cook with your stored food. Dozens of video recipes and a volume of written material help you become more prepared. I designed all this to use basic pantry items like potatoes, salt cod, beans, wheat, corn, oats, you name it. There's video recipes in the course to help you become a better cook. And we use plenty of amazing freeze-dried foods as well.